Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide file history from control panel on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide file history from control panel on Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search type control panel. Click on control panel. In view by, category is selected. Click on the drop down here and click large icons. Here you will find the option file history and you can configure file history from here. Now I am going to show you how to hide file history from control panel. Close control panel. In search type gpedit. Click on edit group policy. Under user configuration, expand administrative templates, click on control panel. Here you will find an setting hide specified control panel items. Now it's not configured. Right click on the setting and click on edit. Click on enabled list of disallowed control panel items. You will find here a show button. Click on show button. Under value type Microsoft M capital dot file history F capital H capital history Microsoft dot file history. Now click on OK. Click on apply and then click on OK. Now close group policy editor. Right click on start menu. Click on run. In run type gp update / force. Now click on OK. It's immediately updating the group policy. Update finished. Now you need to sign out your computer and then log in again. Click on start menu. Click on user icon and then click on sign out. After sign in again, I am going to check. Click on search. In search type control panel. Click on control panel. In control panel, file history is not showing right now and it's hidden. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.